Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add highlights on Instagram without posting to story. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, then you need to click on your story and then you need to select any picture and then you need to post it into your story. But before you do that, you simply need to go back and click on settings and click on story, and then you need to click on hide story from and here you need to select all your friends, and once you've done that you simply need to post your story. Okay, so this is the first method, and the second method is to select a story and then you need to go back and click on settings and click on story, and here you need to select a close friend. You can add your account here. Okay, and then you need to click on select a story and click on close friend. So now you can see that my story is posted to as my posted and only shared with my close friend. So now it is posting, so wait for a few seconds. Once it is posted, okay, then you need to click on highlight and click on add to highlight. So I'm going to add new and click on add. Okay, then go back and click on my profile picture, and here you can see that I posted highlight without posting to my story. So this is a process by which you can add highlight on Instagram without posting to story. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.